on YouTube? Welcome back to Saunders Lifestyle. Today's another day out here in Deutschland, man, and another day, another M. Your boy's out here riding around in the G80 M3. Yup, the wife's G80 M3. Let me tell you a little bit about this car, man. So the wife ended up picking up this car about a year and a half ago. As you guys already know, I did a video a long time ago when she first got it. Since then, man, we done some mods to it, you know what I mean? Like the last video, kind of gave you guys a little quick rundown on what we done to the M5. I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown on what we done to the M3, man. But hold on, man, I'm about to pull up through this tunnel, give you guys a little bit of that 360 action on the exhaust, because this thing makes popcorn. Those pops and bangs something serious, huh? Wait for this pull though. Damn, what y'all think about that? Sound pretty good, huh? It sounds better in person. So what I want to do, man, is my last video I did a review, or not a review, but I guess you could say a review. It was more or less just kind of give you guys an update of what we done mod wise when it comes to the cars. My wife, like I said, has had this car for about a year and some change. We did quite a bit of things to this car. I think she kind of got everything that you can get on a car, on this car, minus under the hood carbon fiber stuff. We got a few things, but not, we didn't go crazy under the hood. But what I'm gonna do, man, is I'm gonna park up same spot I was in the other video, man, and give you guys a little breakdown of what we done to it. And the wheels that we got on here, man, there's some wheel force wheels, but we add our own little touch to it, man. And nobody, I don't think anybody in the world has it like this, man. But well, just I want you guys to give me your honest opinion, what you guys think. I mean, I already hear it a lot here when we go to events, where people ask me about the wheels, where we got them done at, or where do we get them at, first of all. And obviously we got them done, so we got them custom done. But I'll give you guys more details on that as soon as I get to this spot. All right, guys, so let me break this car down to you guys real quick. Flip this camera around. So wife's 2023 G80 X-Drive, black sapphire. It's got the white interior and sitting on 21s, man. So from far away, she looks like she got 5-star wheels on her. But these are the wheel force wheels. We add our own little twist to it. So when we got them, they were matte black, and got them gloss black now with a machine face. So it kind of changed the look of the wheel. If you guys can see the spokes, the black spokes in between, but from far away it looks like a 5-star wheel. And these are 21 by 11 in the rear. You guys can probably see that concave. And 21 by, I want to say 10 in the front. I could be wrong on that one. We got these wheels secondhand. And like I said, we got them matte black and did our own little twist to them. So yeah, so that's the wheels, man. Obviously, that's the main thing that sticks out. So with the rest of the car, let me go ahead and move forward on what else we got done on here. So we got the Maxon Design carbon fiber lit kit on there, as you guys can see. And then we got the Maxon Design side skirts that match it. And then moving over to the winglets, I guess you could say. I might be getting that wrong, but then comes with a diffuser. So with this setup, the stock diffuser didn't work with these winglet things, so we had to go with their diffuser. But I mean, overall, it looks good on the car. It's all carbon fiber. And then the exhaust, we have, well, I'll get back to that in a minute. Let me finish up the rest of the body stuff. So right here we have the wing on there as well, high kick wing. Ended up going with these different lights. Let me show you guys what that looks like. Let me grab the keys real quick. These lights are actually pretty cool, man. So I don't even know the brand of them. We just found them online and ended up grabbing them. So let me see, let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me show you guys one more time. Let me lock it. Then they'll go down. They're like little chips. Looks better at night. But anyway, so yeah, so aftermarket tail lights on there. They're tinted. They're smoked out. Of course, kind of mirrored the M5. Ended up doing the window spoiler here. And that's carbon fiber to match the carbon fiber roof. She's got the whole carbon fiber kit on the outside. Mirror cap covers. We added this on here as well, carbon fiber. And then did the carbon fiber eyelids on here as well. And then she went with the carbon fiber grill. I think it's the CSL grill, if I'm not mistaken. You know what I mean? I'm still learning my parts, you know, prior Mopar. And then down here as well, we have the carbon fiber. And as you guys can see, like I told you guys with my M5, we got the Arcade Tunes front mount cold air intakes. Again, no issues when it comes to rain. They're a little bit dirty, but no issues when it comes to rain at all. And man, when I say it sounds good, it sounds good. I'm trying to think what else we got done on it. So lowered it on a has kit, of course, same thing as the M5. Got some rock guards right here, carbon fiber. Got those. And then we blacked out the side markers. So those typically come like an amber yellow color. So did that. One thing, yeah, so with the brakes. So as you guys all know, these G80s, man, when you get them, the brakes are horrible. And I ain't talking about horrible as in stopping, I'm talking about dust. So trial and error, we end up going with power stop pads. So they only sell the power stop pads for the front of the G80, they don't sell them for the rear. So my wife ended up getting a different type of pad for the back. I don't know the name brand of it, but I'll put it right here below. That way you guys can see what I'm talking about. Because they only sell the power stop for the front, and then they have a different brand for the back. And a different brand for the back is like triple the price for the power stop pads. So that's the route we went. Brake dust does go on there, but it's nothing crazy, man. I mean, I ain't washed the car in probably about a week or so. But as you can see, I'm gonna get close, really close. This is the brake dust right here. I don't know if I can get it on camera. But that's about a week and a half to 2 weeks of not washing the car. So, and I swear by it, man, because those that been watching me on here on the tube know that I had my Hellcat and I had white rims on there. And I had the same pads, and those pads definitely kept the brake dust off the white rims. So I swear by those pads. So just plugging in a power stop right there. But exhaust. So we got the exhaust on here. It's a stock exhaust minus the cats. It's catless downpipes. I don't know the brand on them. I think there might be some off-brand type stuff, but they sound good. And then we went with the 4-inch tips on there. And makes it look like it has a stock, I mean not a stock, but a aftermarket exhaust. I'll let you guys hear what that sounds like real quick. Don't want to make too much noise out here, man. They got a game going on out here where I'm at. Looks like a track or tennis game. So, but yeah, man. So again, got catless downpipes on there. It's got the dollar valve control. You can open and close it. testing out this mic if you guys see what this is right here. But yeah, dollar valve control, so you can open and close it. So that's another thing I like about BMW, man. You can be obnoxiously loud, or you can turn it off and be very quiet if you want. So, but okay, so the last piece of this car, man. So we had to get the power on it. So it is tuned. It's sitting at about 703 horsepower, I want to say, to the crank. Yeah, that thing powerful, huh? Man, that's enough power for the wife, I tell you that much, man, to be out here riding around these Strasses. But yeah, man, at the end of the day, man, that's the G80 in a nutshell. This thing is definitely a nice little car to have to get around here on the Autobahn. It's definitely a nice little, to me, it's like a little race car compared to the M5. The M5 obviously is more luxury, more a little bit more spacious. This car is definitely made for the track. We took it to the track one time. My wife ended up getting a dang screw, not a nail, but a screw, putting in her tire. Man, it's crazy, boy. I tell you that much. But that was our first time being out there. She was a little nervous, but she had fun. We all had fun, man. And that was the first time taking her car out there. But yeah, man, at the end of the day, we are both in love with both the cars, man. I don't think I'll ever get rid of these things. I mean, obviously, the G80, I think they're starting to move to all this gas and hybrid type stuff. This may be, I mean, I don't know, I'm probably talking about stuff I don't really know, but maybe I'm thinking this might be the last all gas power type M3. But that's just me talking, man. I don't know, I haven't done any research on it, but it's just with the M5 being hybrid, I'm assuming they're gonna do the same thing with the M3 whenever the new body style comes out. But yeah, man, if you guys haven't, man, go ahead and smash that button. You guys already know what it is, man. We out here trying to get these videos in for you guys, and I'm gonna keep hitting these clips, man. So stay tuned in, stay locked in. You already know, your boy out.